Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. In my last video, we were watching that after breaking down the support of the triangle, Shiba Inu was also breaking down another price level support at 0.00002960. And this was the support, by the way, we have here at 0.0000 and 2960. Exactly here we have the support, because when we had this rally previously in the month of Feb, it was rejected by this support. At that time it was working as a resistance, and here it was working as a resistance, and here it was working as a support, and here it went very close to this support level but did not touch it. And after breaking down here, after breaking down this triangle, it has also broken down this support, and now it is getting rejected again and again by this resistance of 0.00002960. So on the immediate short term, we need to look at this resistance on the hourly time frame, and after that we will have the next resistance here at 0.00003240 approximately, and here we can see it has been working as a support, and here as a support, and here as a resistance. And on the immediate short term, we have the next resistance at 0.000034, and the next support will be here. That is approximately at 0.00002740. So these are the major support and resistance levels on the immediate short term on the hourly time frame. And right now you can see that the price line is bounced by this support, because previously it has been working as a very nice support here, and again it worked as a nice support. And after breaking down this triangle, it has formed another rising wedge pattern. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the rising wedge, then our next imminent move will be to the next resistance, that will be at 0.00003240 approximately. And for example, if we will break down this support, then we can move down all the way at the tail or at the bottom of this rising wedge, that is approximately same as at the same level where we have the previous price level support at 0.00002740. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, yes, here we have broken out this resistance of a very long-term channel, and after this breakout, we are having some correction. And on the long term, on the daily time frame, I told you that we need to keep an eye on the next resistance of 0.000033, and if the price line breaks out this level, then that can be a very nice buying opportunity, because that can be a key resistance for a very big move. By the way, we have the different other resistance as well, like at 4050, and this will be the final resistance at 0.000080. But after breaking out this double three, we can expect that there will be a very high probability that the price line will reach here at the final resistance at 80. And you can see that previously, when we had this move, very powerful bullish rally in the month of October, at the start of October 2021, we were strongly rejected by this resistance of 0.000033. And right now, again, after this recovery rally or this breakout from this down channel, we are again rejected by the same resistance level. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this resistance. Once it will be broken out, then we can expect a very big move. And this very small wedge on the hourly time frame can be a game-changing a rising wedge pattern. If the price line breaks it out, then it is possible that it will also make another attempt to break out this resistance of $0.000033 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.